Sore throat. Introduction. Can you point to the tonsils? Choose one of the following. Correct. Pharyngitis can mean the same thing as sore throat. Select true or false. Correct. Are most sore throats caused by cancer? Select yes or no. Correct. Most sore throats are caused by viral infections. What can you do to ease a sore throat at home? Choose one of the following. 1. Drink plenty of fluids. 2. Suck on lozenges. 3. Use a humidifier. 4. All of the above. Correct. Jill's son, George, is 4 years old and is woken up with a sore throat. He has a fever of 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Should Jill take her son to a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Jill should take her son to his healthcare provider. Thank you for using Explain.